SolarCity. So right here, right now, monthly chart breaking out above previous highs, descending triangle, broke back up to the upside, breaking above this these highs of about 2 months ago. Let's break it down even further. 5 months, excuse me, 5 months on the weekly. We see we had that downtrend, broke up right now on the weekly. It just looks like a retracement. Quite honestly, I mean, the volume for this week is low so far, but at least we want to see if it's going to be able to take out the lows of 53.50. Okay, right here, right now, I remember this candle is currently forming. It's not finished till Friday. So you don't want to say, oh, it looks good, because Friday could be, it could be all the way down here. Who knows? But you have this pivot point. So let's add another line right at this previous pivot point, this previous swing high. And this swing high, again, is at 52.77. So if it comes down to that and tests and break back up, it's just like you're trading anything else. Daily, you're not even below the 10 yet. You don't even have a MACD bearish cross as yet. So I, again, would just be waiting, see what happens today. If we could get a break above, let's say, this 61, 68 area, it might be some time for some good eating. Because this flag, let me tell you, I didn't get it, and I posted it the day of. I posted it actually right here. Let me show you. I said, all right, I want to break up, and I didn't get in here. I said over 40, and it went and blasted up above. Matter of fact, the flag here and the flag here just shot up and continued to go up. So, it is what it is. And right here, right now, you just want to see what happens. And again, if you get a bullish candle, but right now I wouldn't be shorting this. I wouldn't be looking to get short. Because you see, again, you have this pivot swing point over here. So you just have to be patient. If you're in long, okay, you might, you could trim up. You should have been trimming up some profits. Maybe you got long above here, and maybe you're stopped out already. That's fine. But it should be a small loss. It shouldn't be something. And that's the big thing, is risk management, really understanding. Because if you're nervous going in a trade, one, you might be chasing. Two, you might be trading too big. And three, you haven't defined how much you're going to lose before you put the trade on. Always. I look at that number first. I look at what I'm going to lose. And then, of course, if there's events that you can't control, that gap it down, world event, something happens, war, whatever, you can't, account for that. Because if you ever say, I want to know it all, then you'll never trade. But at the end of the day, if you're not managing risk, that's when you get that real anxiety. So right here, right now, consolidating, you could say, okay, you have these higher lows. So right now, it would be a bull pennant if you kind of look at the flag right here. And you say, okay, I just needed to break out above this trend line, or if it's going to break down below this trend line. And only time will tell, and you just have to wait. So again, hope this helps. And if you have any additional names that you want me to look at, or questions, feel free to ask. You can email me at MaximusAnalysis. You can comment on the YouTube. If you like what you see, you can subscribe. You can share. You can retweet. I appreciate any help that I can get to send out this message. Thanks so much. Take care.